Welcome back to MNN, and this is Market Report. First off, Bitcoin stayed bullish at the end of the day, with the day opening at 79,868 and closing at 80,910, with a total gain of 1.30%, reaching a high of 81,785 and low of 79,800 throughout the day. Next, moving on to other cryptocurrencies, Ethereum also stayed bullish at the end of the day, with the day opening at 2,347 and closing at 2,361, with a total gain of 0.58%, reaching a high of 2,398 and low of 2,345 throughout the day. Solana opened the day at 84.10 and closed the day at 86.27, with a total gain of 2.58%, reaching a high of 86.95 and a low of 84.03. XRP also stayed bullish, opening the day at 1.39 and closing at 1.41, with a total gain of 1.50%, reaching a high of 1.42 and a low of 1.39. Moving on to metals, gold stayed bullish, opening at 4,517.30 and gaining a total of 1.50% to close the day at 4,585.20, reaching a high of 4,586.80 and a low of 4,514.00. Moving on to silver, which opened at 72.66 and gaining 1.76% to close the day at 73.94. Reaching a high of 74.23 and a low of 72.44, staying bullish. Looking at stocks, the S&P 500 stayed bullish, closing at 7,259.22, with a gain of 58.47. Dow Jones stayed bullish, closing at 49,298.25, with a gain of 356.35. Thank you for tuning in to MNN, and this was Market Report.